Hello once again, dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to our news broadcast. Here are the headlines. Funeral service of Major General Hamid Karara conducted. Cardiac surgery for children at Toronto Referral Hospital. Somali security forces neutralize attackers of hotel in capital. 4 EU states oppose using Russian asset proceeds to help Ukraine. In our domestic news, the funeral service of veteran freedom fighter Major General Hamid Karara, commander of the Eritrea Naval Force, was held today at Asmara Patriot Cemetery in the presence of President Isaias Afwerki, senior government and PFDJ officials, army commanders, religious leaders, family members, as well as a number of nationals and members of the army. Major General Hamid Karara joined the Eritrean Liberation Front in 1969 and was one of the founding members of the Eritrean Popular Forces in 1970. He served his country and people in various capacities, including as member of the Central Committee of the EPLF. Following Eritrea's independence, Major General Karara continued to serve his country and people with unwavering dedication. He undertook roles such as the administrator of the Antalya, commander of the Eritrean Naval Force, and coordinator of the Eastern Front Development Sector. Major General Hamid Karara dedicated 55 of his 73 years of life to the Eritrean armed struggle for independence and the nation-building process. President Isaias Afwerki laid a wreath on the tomb of the late veteran fighter on behalf of the state of Eritrea. Mr. Yamana Gabrab, head of political affairs of PFDJ, laid a wreath on behalf of the front, while General Philippos Wilde Johannes, chief of staff of the Eritrean Armed Forces, on behalf of the Ministry of Defense, Colonel Melak Takhla Mariam, Chief of Staff of the Eritrean Naval Force, Sultan Arhaita Abdul Qadir Daud, and the family of Major General Hamid Karara. Expressing deep sorrow at the passing of Major General Hamid Karara, the government of Eritrea extends condolences to his family and friends. A medical team from Genoa University, in collaboration with Eritrean professionals, has successfully performed cardiac surgery on 12 children at the Toronto National Referral Hospital. Mr. Tuwalde Johannes, the general manager of the hospital, stated that the surgeries took place from 10 to 14 March and involved children from all regions of the country who had been previously identified for treatment. Additionally, Mr. Tuwalde mentioned that the program will continue until 16 March, with surgeries planned for an additional 20 children. Professor Giovanni Stellini, the coordinator of the medical team, noted that this is the team's 20th visit to Eritrea, having performed cardiac surgery on a total of 150 children thus far. Parents of the children expressed their gratitude for the opportunity provided to their children and urged other parents to seek medical attention promptly for similar issues. It is worth noting that a German medical team performed medical surgery on 85 children at the Toronto Referral Hospital from 26 February to 8 of March. A sports and cultural week was organized in the elaborate subzone from 8 to 10 March, featuring participation from students across all the schools in the subzone. Mr. Johannes Mabrahtu, the head of culture and sports and health, reported that the week-long event encompasses activities such as football, volleyball, athletics, as well as cultural and debating competitions. He further emphasized the event played a significant role in providing a platform for students to discover and nurture their talents, while also facilitating the sharing of experiences among each other. Mr. Solomon Ngusa, the head of the education office in the subzone, highlighted that the week was filled with various sports competitions and cultural activities, enabling students to exhibit their diverse skills and cultural heritage. The event culminated with awards presented to the winners of the sports and cultural contests, recognizing and celebrating the achievements and active participation. That was our domestic news. Please stay tuned now for the international news right after the short break. Somali security forces have neutralized those who attacked a popular hotel in the capital Mogadishu, Somali national television said on social media platform X today. Attackers stormed a hotel near the president's office on Thursday after a pair of explosions, residents and witnesses said, with Al-Qaeda-linked Al-Shabaab claiming responsibility for the raid. Gunfire followed the evening blasts, the residents said, with unidentified attackers storming the Sil Hotel, which is a popular gathering place for government officials and lawmakers. Government forces clashed with the attackers and the siege carried on into Friday today. Police and other government spokespeople were not immediately reachable for the comment. However, local media reported that Somalia security forces had neutralized the attackers. In statement, Al-Shabaab said that the fighters had taken control of the hotel and shot workers and government officials. In 2019, the group took responsibility for attacking the same hotel. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen's proposal to buy weapons and equipment for Ukraine with the proceeds of frozen Russian assets at a European Union meeting on Wednesday was met with opposition from Malta, Slovakia, Luxembourg and Hungary. Since the outbreak of the Ukraine crisis in February of 2022, Western countries, mostly in the EU, have frozen about $300 billion of Russian assets, with politicians from those countries saying the move aims to support Ukraine. Russia has repeatedly warned that confiscation of Russian assets by the West, in whatever form, is equal to theft and that it will respond accordingly. Please stay tuned now for a recap of tonight's headlines. Funeral service of Major General Hamid Karara conducted. Cardiac surgery for children at Orota Referral Hospital. Somali security forces neutralize attackers of hotel in capital. 4 EU states oppose using Russian asset proceeds to help Ukraine. That was our news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.